I have a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan with only 21,000 miles on it. No matter what drive cycle I try, I'm unable to get the OBD2 oxygen monitor and the EGR monitor to set. And I've driven almost 1,000 miles now and still no luck. This is a data capture of the two downstream oxygen sensors. Right now I'm driving on a highway with the speeds between 60 and 65 miles per hour. The blue trace is bank 1 sensor 2 and the purple trace is bank 2 sensor 2. At times the two signals match each other, but then other times, especially bank 1 sensor 2 would sag low compared to bank 2 sensor 2. I'm taking an off-ramp right now and decelerating with my foot off the gas pedal. Coming to a stoplight and it's green, making a left and gonna go up a small hill. Accelerating right now with a quarter throttle. And now got a red light. Coming to a stop. Light turn green. Since the last stoplight, the speeds are around 35 miles per hour through this section. Coming to another red light. Look how weird bank 1 sensor 2 looks. Just sitting at the stoplight, idling. At the stoplight, both signals are stable, except the bank 1 sensor 2 is a little lower than bank 2 sensor 2 for whatever reason. Okay, we got a green light accelerating. Slowing down for another red light. Light just turned green. We can see bank 1 sensor 2 just glitched. Speed is around 35 miles per hour. Coming to a stoplight. In my opinion, this is how the signal should look. It's matching to each other, then you see the decel, and then it recovers, and now I'm on a stoplight idling. Got a green light. So far since the last stoplight, the signal looks beautiful. Now we see a weird glitch. Bank 2 sensor 2 just slow to recover for some reason. Coming to another stoplight. Signals are matching. If anyone out there with experience and see a problem from the data captured, please leave a comment. I did change all the oxygen sensors with the OEM part. Thank you.